Insurance companies that do the wrong thing when dealing with natural disasters could be named and shamed under recommendations handed to the federal government. A parliamentary committee investigating the insurance industry wants new laws introduced to empower consumers and sanction insurers that breach their code of practice.
It's been more than a year since her home was flooded, and mother of 6 Wendy Smith is still waiting for life to return to normal.
We haven't sat down at a family to have a family dinner at the table since this has happened.
Ms Smith's insurance claim was denied, and her frustrations echoed throughout the neighbourhood.
Some people thought they were covered for floods, and then it was the clauses they could use to say what type of water was caused the impact, the amount of time it's taken to get back to people.
A parliamentary inquiry heard complaints across the nation from victims who say they were brutalised by nature, then by their insurer.
We certainly heard the same story in a lot of different states with a lot of different disasters with a lot of different insurance companies.
The committee says it's time for a big stick approach. It's made 13 recommendations, including minimum standards for claims handling, making the insurance code of practice compulsory, naming insurance companies that breach the code of practice, and giving ASIC the power to impose sanctions on insurance companies.
Why should insurance companies be exempt from breaches, from being sued for breaches of utmost good faith? Why should they be exempt from unfair contract law?
A lot of the measures we're recommending have no price impact. They're about better practice.
The Insurance Council of Australia has welcomed the report, but it says changes are already being implemented to the claims handling process and definitions of cover. The committee will make further recommendations on exorbitant insurance costs in Northern Australia next month. Francine Norton, ABC News, Brisbane.